Looking for the best 360 camera? 360 cameras are amazing. They let you capture everything around you in immersive spherical video. You can reframe shots in post-production, create bullet time effects, and share VR content. Whether you're a vlogger, action sports enthusiast, or content creator, I've tested the top 5 options and I'm breaking down which one is right for you based on your needs and budget. Number 1 is the Insta360 X5. This is the best overall 360 camera you can buy right now. It weighs 200 grams and shoots 8K video at 30 frames per second, with up to 72 megapixel photos. Battery life is 208 minutes, which is excellent for all-day shooting. The X5 uses larger 1/1.28-inch sensors that deliver sharper, cleaner video, especially in low light. The standout feature is replaceable lenses. If you scratch or damage a lens, you can swap it out instead of buying a new camera. It's waterproof to 15 meters. Has improved audio over previous models, and includes lock-on points for third-party mounts. The app makes quick edits easy, though it can be demanding on older phones. Battery drains fast at the highest settings. If you already own the X4, the improvements might not feel revolutionary enough to upgrade. But for everyone else, the X5 is the most polished 360 camera available. Number 2 is the Akaso 360. This is the best cheap 360 camera, coming in significantly less than premium rivals. It weighs 180 grams and shoots 5.7K video at 30 frames per second with 72 megapixel photos. Battery life is 60 minutes. For the price, the Akaso delivers fantastic value. It has good automatic stitching and stabilization with decent apps for editing. In daylight, 5.7K footage looks solid with nice colors and reasonable sharpness. It's compact, lightweight, and straightforward to use. The compromises: image quality falls off in anything less than perfect lighting. Audio picks up a lot of wind noise. It's not waterproof, dustproof, or shockproof, so don't treat it like an action camera. The touchscreen can be laggy and unresponsive, but for creators who want an affordable introduction to 360 video, the Akaso is a solid entry-level choice. Number 3 is the DJI Osmo 360. This is the best 360 camera for quality. It weighs 183 grams and shoots 8K video at 50 frames per second with up to 120 megapixel photos. Battery life is 190 minutes. The Osmo 360 uses 1/1.1-inch sensors to shoot 10-bit 8K video with plenty of clean detail and vivid colors. Stabilization is faultless. The 2-inch touchscreen is sharp and easy to navigate. It has built-in storage, works with DJI Mic Mini, and offers impressive value compared to competitors. The interface is user-friendly, with the DJI Mimo app for quick mobile edits and DJI Studio for desktop work. It's waterproof to 10 meters but not yet optimized for underwater shooting due to stitching issues. The lenses aren't replaceable like the X5. If you already own other DJI products, the ecosystem integration is seamless. Number 4 is the GoPro Max 2. This is the best 360 camera for design. It weighs 195 grams and shoots true 8K at 30 frames per second, or 5.6K at 60 frames per second with 29 megapixel photos. Battery life is about 1 hour. The Max 2 records the best quality 8K video of any camera in this guide, at least in daylight. Image quality drops more noticeably in low light compared to rivals. The lenses are tool-free swappable, making repairs easy if you damage them. The squat square design fits better in tight spaces than taller stick designs. It's waterproof to 5 meters with built-in retractable mounting fingers, compatible with GoPro's entire mounting ecosystem. The internal microphone captures truly 3-dimensional audio. It can overheat during long recording sessions. Despite being 6 years after the original Max, it's a sizable upgrade and worth the wait. Number 5 is the Insta360 X3. This is the best value 360 camera for beginners. It weighs 180 grams and shoots 5.7K video with 18 megapixel photos. Battery life is 81 minutes. The X3 has been updated twice since launch, but it remains on sale as a budget alternative. It has a large 2.29-inch touchscreen that makes handheld use easy. Active HDR mode retains detail in highlights and shadows brilliantly. Flow state stabilization is excellent. Single lens 4K footage can appear soft with a lack of clarity. But for first-time 360 camera buyers, the X3 offers powerful features at a great price. It's waterproof to 10 meters, has seamless editing workflow and realistic battery life. If you want to grab any of these cameras, Amazon links are in the pinned comment below. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more camera reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.